Oh, what's up, guys? Dreadhead here again. Peace and love. Just bringing you a little tips and tricks as to how to maintain your dreadlocks. You still see you got a lot of loose hair going on here. It's a work in progress for sure. Even after 4 years of growth, stuff falls out. Stuff comes apart. But that's where you get to put it back together. It's your neat mess you get to work with. All right. I'm going to be showing you guys a little work on this dread here. I think earlier in a couple other videos I showed you a twist and tuck a couple times. And we're going to be doing that again today. But what I want to show you is this stuff right here. You can see a few little stitches up there. It's been notched in. We got 2 of these. The thick stuff, it's a little harder to work with. So you got to break it down into smaller sections sometimes. Work with that. So what do you do with that? You say you get to right about here and your test tired of stitching it. You don't want to stitch it anymore. All right, well, we're just gonna say this one's a little experimental, but we're gonna work something out here. First, we're gonna get our twist and tuck in, make sure the roots are stable, not really looking to loosen themselves anymore after we get into our palm rolling. Got to twist, twist, twist. Remember direction, consistency, every twist and tuck. Alright, twist and tuck. Alright, you can see root growth a little bit more closer together, it doesn't look like it's all popping out, craziness, but I have straight hair, that's how it grows out. So when you come down here, how are you going to fix that? Well, a lot of people are going to tell you palm rolling's like this. And it's like, sure, you might be able to do palm rolling that way. Potentially. Say I want to try this. But look, I just keep going like this with the palm roll here. Look, it kind of comes in, but it really flakes back out pretty quickly, It's not the most efficient way. Palm rolling for me is using right here, this area, and right here, this area, in between both of your fingers. And what you're going to do is grab your dread, and you're going to do little circles, You're going to just try to bring your hair together, and you're going to start high, start where it sticks out a little bit, and then work your way down. So, right here, first hand, 2 fingers, pinch, other hand, you come under this way, you go over this way, it doesn't matter. But you're just going to start high, twist, 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 twist. Twist, 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 twist. Twist, 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 twist. Twist, 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 twist. Twist, twist, twist. Work it all the way down and boom! Whoa, whoa, whoa! Ja! Did you just fix that dread? Come over it a couple of times. What's going on? What's going on? Where'd all that hair go? You just fixed your dread. There you go. There you have it, It's all in there. But say you go swimming, you loosen up. You want to bring it back together even more? Okay, before you go swimming, get your crochet needle out, stitch it in there, People say you got to stick the crochet needle all the way through the dread, but once your dreads lock up, you got a little length and a lot of growth. They're pretty tight. You can't really push the crochet needle all the way through. Just grab on the outside and stick it in the middle a little bit, work your way around, keep twisting the dread. You got it. Alright guys, that was my tutorial on how to just do a simple twist and tuck. As you can see, I got more work going on for myself. I gotta let you guys go. Peace and love, good vibes. Hope you're all doing well. Thanks for tuning in. Alright. Oh, happy birthday shout out to my friend today. Yeah, happy birthday. Peace.